let's get the camera out and give it a bit of a wiggle. So yeah, that is it now. Hello, and welcome. I hope I find you all well in these trying times. Unfortunately, the UK is in another lockdown. I don't know how it is for the rest of the world at the moment, but because of that, we find ourselves stuck at home and can't get out and make some images or YouTube tutorials. So I was sort of thinking the other day what I could do for you guys to sort of keep you amused, if you like. And what I came up with is questions and answers. Basically, you ask me anything you would like to, and I would do my very best to answer them. If it helps you with a little bit of photography or my type of photography, then that's great. I do get some questions from you guys occasionally, but I thought it'd be a nice idea to sort of do it all in one bag, if you like, and make a video with me sort of reading out your questions and answering them. So yeah, that's the idea anyway. Whether it be a good one or bad one, but it would give you something to think about. So how it's going to work is leave your questions in the comments below, and hit the notification bell to see when the video comes out. And once I have enough questions, then I will sit down, make a video answering them for you the best I can. So yeah, that's it really, in a nutshell. So until that time, thanks very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.